Hey gang, welcome back to Jenkins Locks. I'm Don. Wanted to do a real quick review of something I picked up recently that has quickly become one of the staples in my toolbox, and that is the Wera KK25, the James Bond screwdriver. So it kind of looks, like any normal screwdriver, but it's got some tips and tricks in it. So one, you got a quick release so you can adjust tight spaces, need a little extra reach. It's got a locking collar that you push forward, then you can take it out. Handy, because I don't know about you guys, even when I magnetize bits they always seem to drop out. And then we have the option that Q himself would be proud of, the hidden compartment with all your bits that you need, and you can swap these out if you want to. These are what come with it. Like I said, this also comes with a belt case, which I've misplaced because I've never seen to put this thing down. I've used this for locks. I've used this for just this weekend replacing the heating element in my furnace. And this really came in handy because in some of the spots with the HVAC piping and all that, I needed the extra reach to get to things, but then other times I needed a compact reach. So this is really good. This cost I think about 35 bucks on CLK Supplies. Like I said, it's just been such a versatile tool. My wife jokes that it's my new Wooby. It's not, it's just, as I'm doing things around the house, as I'm doing things on the job, this thing, it meets so many needs that I have, that, at first I was kind of like, 35 bucks for a screwdriver. Honestly, I would gladly pay that again. So yeah, check it out. I'll put a link to it down in the description. If you guys use this, let me know what you think. If you think it's as great as I think it is, or you think it was a waste of money, be interested to find out everyone's views on it. So check it out, and let me know what you think in the comments. Catch you guys next time.